Alright guys, I got 2 big plates cut out here. They're going to be my quench plates. I'll show you that here in a minute. Here's the pipe in the forge trick. That's pretty hard for me to show you, but that's the thermocoupler coming back in there in the hole in the pipe. See it a little bit there. Right there. Alright, that's where my blade's going to sit, right there. I cut out this little holder here with kind of a keyhole cut in it to hold my blade in here. And I'll put it way back in there so my blade's right in by the thermocoupler. Hard for me to get an angle on it for me to show you, but it's sitting there resting mid-air right in front of the thermocoupler. I got the spine end down. With these fillet knives, I don't even put an edge on them. I heat treat first and then grind. It'll be a thin blade. So I just plug my thermocoupler in to my thermometer here. And I'll be looking for about 1,925 degrees and a little hotter. I'm going to be holding it there for about 5 minutes or so, about 6 minutes for this thin steel that I'm using for fillet knives. You may need to hold it a bit longer for some thicker steel at that temp. And this is just for a certain kind of steel that I'm using too, and it's stainless. If you guys follow my channel, you'll be able to see, you know, me doing some heat treating. But I'm just giving you an idea here of how I'm going to be doing it. It's a dual burner forge, pretty thick pipe. I'm going to have it wrapped in 309 stainless foil, my blades, so I don't get a decarb, and it's going right in there by the coupler. So it should be a pretty good heat treat. Let me know what you think, guys. So I'm going to be coming right out of the forge with the blade here wrapped in that foil, and I'm going to go right into my plates. I'll have that one sitting like that beside there. As soon as I lay it on that plate. Now I won't hit it that hard. I was using one hand. And I'll put it on there like that. Clamp. clamp both ends of the blade, and you can even spray some air in there from the air compressor to get it cold super quick. Should be a good quick quench. One more thing here before I go. I'll be able to control my heat with this fire brick from this side. And I got the lid on this side. Control the heat like that, or you can adjust your air. Should be pretty accurate. The steel I'm using, you're looking for around 1925 to 1955, and around there, right between there. You can keep it between there for about 5 minutes, you're good. If you guys got anything you want to add, let me know in the comments. If you know something I don't, let me know, man. I appreciate you watching. Thanks.